Hello, welcome to another vegan lazy cooking with Mark, and this one's a really good, easy and not the most healthy option, but also a bit of fun and a nice little treat. So this one is a grilled cheese sandwich. I feel so American saying that, but we don't say it. Cheese toasty in English. Vegan cheese toasty, of course. So we just got some sliced bread here, and well, obviously you want to match them up to the right sizes, and we got this nice vegan Via Life smoked cheese, and that's already pre-sliced, so even lazier because you can just do that. Now what you want to do is, obviously with your sliced bread, what we're going to do is put them in the frying pan at the end, just to get it nice and crispy on the sides. We want to put these under the grill. And you want to do it under the grill so you're only toasting one side, which is going to be the inside of what you're going to be doing. So, in your grill, just put your 4 slices of bread in there. I've got some potato wedges I just made earlier in there as well. So that is just going to leave there until it gets like a semi-brown. Yeah, so that's good. So, what you want to do as well, depending on how cheesy you want it, you will put. I'm going to put on both sides, and then you're going to fold it together like that. One tip is try to cover up as much of the bread that is going to be exposed to the grill, because then it won't burn and you won't get that real black burning on the bread. So just try and tear it up so it covers every piece of the bread that will be exposed to the grill. So I just need to put these back under the grill now. And just let them kind of melt away until you start to see that they become like melted. Of course, you can put anything you want in the middle of it as well if you want to add something. I'm not really going to add much, but I will add in a few leaves of coriander. And with this, I'm just going to pull them off of the stalks and just give it a quick rinse under the miniature shower, or the sink as we like to call it. So quick rinse, there you go. With a knife, with coriander it's always better to not chop it into very fine pieces, but just like this. So just get a knife and go about 5 chops over it. Okay, so let's take a look at look at that. As you can see, it is nice and melty cheese. So let's just take these out, and all we're going to do on top of this is cracked pepper on top, freshly ground. I'm going to put some coriander inside of them. Now, what I shall do is we've got some coconut oil here. Now with the coconut oil, just get a knife, and we're running quite low, so I'm just going to spread it kind of on the outside of both pieces of bread. As you can tell, this is not the healthiest because look how much fat we're using, but you know, you're doing so much running and you're being relatively healthy and you're eating like healthy 80% of the time, or I mean that's a generalization of a figure, but I think it's pretty alright to be, you know, having a few treats or variants of different types of foods every so often like this, so I wouldn't worry too much. That's one of the reasons why I run. so I can eat so much. So we've got that nice on there. So I've got a pan and this ring on, so I'm just going to let that heat up quickly, and let's see if they both fit in. We're just going to put them into the frying pan like this, and just let it be there for a moment. And what is another really good tip is once it starts to heat up quite well, just give it a little bit of, apply a little bit of pressure so that you're pushing it down into the pan, and it's going to get a nice big crisp on the bread. I'm not talking, so. Okay, so what I just suggest after you've been pressing it down a few times, just lift it up, take a look, as you can see, nice and crispy. And just turn it over. Oh, look at that, perfect. Okay, so all done now. Take it off the pan, off the ring, and just plate it up onto your plate. Sorry. What's best to do, or nice to do if you want to make a nice presentation. So, there you go. Just give it a nice angled cut. The angled cut always makes everything look a lot nicer for some reason, and maybe it makes it taste nicer. And there we have it. There's my quick, vegan, easy, lazy grilled cheese sandwich, cheese toasty. I've got no cheese toasty press. That's another thing, you don't need one of them. And we're just going to get some of these wedges I made and just put them on top as well. There's no oil on the potatoes, and every meal like this I think deserves a little bit of ketchup.